How to transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to talk about how you can exactly transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. So the simplest way to transfer money in both directions is by adding your Cash App account as a bank account on Venmo. You can also use your Cash Card as a payment method on your Venmo or your Venmo debit card as a payment method in Cash App. So this video will provide all the information you need for transferring money from Venmo to Cash App. So all you have to do is activate a direct deposit in the Cash App. To use your Cash App account as a bank account on Venmo, you first need to enable your Cash App as a bank account. Open your Cash App application and tap on the bank icon, select direct deposit, and you will need a cash card to activate the direct deposit. Alternatively, you can also add your cash card to Venmo directly as a payment method without setting up direct deposit. Now tap Get Account Number and then Enable Account. Tap on Copy Account Details and copy both of your account and routing numbers to your clipboard. Add your Cash App account as a bank account in Venmo. And now that we have the account details for your Cash App, which is the bank account, we can add the account to your Venmo. Open the Venmo, tap the gear icon to open the settings, tap Payment Methods, and select Add a Bank or Card. Select Bank and use the plate verification system to enter your Cash App account info. Transfer funds from the Venmo to Cash App, with the Cash App account being treated as a bank account, and now you can also withdraw money from your Venmo balance to your Cash App account. Just make sure to select your Cash App account at the destination bank when withdrawing funds. With your Cash App account now linked to Venmo, you can also now make payments in Venmo using your Cash App account funds. So this was all about how can you transfer money from Venmo to Cash App. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.